Personal Area Network PAN. This is the smallest type of network. The PAN is connected with a wireless modem with one or more computers, laptop, mobile and a printer. It is limited to one or two rooms or a building only. These types of network are typically found in small offices or residential houses, and these networks are managed by one person or one or more employees of an organization itself. Local Area Network LAN connects group of computers and other networking devices together across short distance that covers one or more rooms within the same building, or it connects between two or three buildings in close proximity to each other in order to share information and resources. It is generally managed by one person or a group in case of bigger area having maximum number of networking devices. Using the router, the LAN connects to the internet. Wireless Local Area Network Wireless LAN. It is a LAN only, but it uses the wireless network technology such as Wi-Fi. In this type of networks, physical cables are not used to connect networking devices. Rather, signals are used to connect devices over the area of network. It is generally managed by a single person or a group of individuals in case of bigger area having maximum number of networking devices. Campus Area Network CAN. This is larger form of LAN. Much bigger area is covered in this type of network, and many networking devices are connected over this network. These types of networks are found in universities, high school and big business organizations. These types of networks can be spread across several buildings that are fairly close to each other, so that user can share resources among each other. Maintenance of these networks is handled by a group of persons or a third-party networking firm or the network team of the campus itself. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. These types of networks are larger than Local Area Network LAN and also larger than Campus Area Network, that is CAN. Many networking devices are connected of an entire geographical area over this network. Metropolitan Area Network covers an entire geographic area that is typically a town or city and sometimes a larger campus. Maintenance of this network is handled by a third-party firm or company or the network team of the campus itself. Wide Area Network 1. Wide Area Network, that is one, connects computers and other networking devices together across larger physical distance. This allows computers and other networking devices to be remotely accessed with each other over a single large network to communicate even when devices are miles apart physically from each other. The internet is the most basic example of a wide area network, connecting all computers and many other networking devices together around the world. It is never owned and maintained by a single group or individual because of its vast reach. It is typically owned and maintained by multiple administrators and groups over the world. Storage Area Network SAN. Storage Area Network is a dedicated high-speed network that is connected to share pools of storage devices with several servers. This type of networks do not depend on a LAN or WAN setup. The storage resources are moved away from the public internet and those are placed into separately owned high performance network. SAN, that is storage area network, are accessed in the same speed as a drive is attached physically to a server. Storage area network are primarily used to access data storage drive such as tape libraries and disk array from servers. Similarly to the direct attached storage devices appear to the operating system. System area network, that is also known as SAN. A system area network SAN links the cluster of computer to make a high performance connection oriented network. A SAN delivers high bandwidth around 1 GB or greater with low latency. A SAN is typically switched by hubs that support 8 or more nodes. It is generally used to configure a relatively local network that is designed to provide high-speed connection in server-to-server application on cluster environments. Computers connected to it operate as a single system at very high speeds over the network. Passive Optical Local Area Network, POLAN. This technology can be integrated into structured cabling to overcome problem of traditional Ethernet protocol and network applications such as power over internet. POLAN uses optical splitters to split an optical signal of single mode optical fiber into multiple signals to serve users and devices. Telecommunication network provide commonly use a passive optical network system PON that brings fiber optic cabling and signals all or most of the way to the end users. Enterprise Private Network, EPN. This type of networks are generally built and owned by business organizations that wants to connect its various networking locations securely to share computer resources. Virtual Private Network, VPN. This type of networks is a private network extending across the internet. A virtual private network, VPN, lets its users to send and receive data packets as if their devices are connected to the private network tunnel, even if they are accessing over the public network. Therefore, it is the virtual point-to-point connection where users can access a private network remotely, so this network are fully safe and secure from external threats and attack across the internet.